Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You already have the SD card and reader. Start now by confirming your phone supports OTG. Once confirmed, check the card format, XFAT for cards larger than 32 GB versus FAT32 for 32 GB or smaller, because format effects read/write. Insert the SD into the reader until it clicks. Make sure the contacts face the correct way. If your reader has a micro SD adapter, seat the micro card properly. After insertion, keep the reader handy to connect directly to your phone. You plug the reader into your phone and once done, accept any OTG or storage permission prompt. This lets apps access the card. Open your Files app or a dedicated file manager and find the removable storage entry, sometimes labeled SD card. To transfer, long press Files to select multiple items, then copy or move. Copying keeps originals on the phone. Make sure to use a speed-rated card for large transfers, because slow cards cause timeouts or failed copies. You finish by preparing to eject. Go to Settings or the Files app and choose Unmount or Eject so the phone flushes caches and finishes writes. After unmounting, remove the reader. If the card is not recognized, first reconnect and check the adapter. If that fails, try it in another device or reformat after backing up. Make sure to back up important photos and documents to cloud storage. This prevents data loss if the card becomes corrupted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.